You taking a video?
Yeah.
Can't take everything off though, bud. It's gotta stay on there. Strawberry,
Yeah.
berry.
Touching. That's nice.
What is the, yeah, mouse. Candy cane. Strawberry. Mouse. Look at the horsey, you can rock him. Oh, he's beautiful, isn't he? Yeah, trolley. Ding, ding, ding. You can put up here if you want. You put him up there. He doesn't fit on the track though. Too bad.
No, I can't. I got a look at
Oh! You could put your horsey by the tree. Charlie. Ding, 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 ding. Ding, 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 ding. Is it pretty? You like it? Can you clap? Clap, clap.
Yay.
Pamela, your picture got a little tilted.
Let's see. What picture? Oh. Oh, I love it. Rocking horse, the rocking horse.
Charlie.
Can we put the rocking horse back in here? Can he stay there?
I doubt it. He's too cool.
Alright. You can play with the snowman too, and there's a duck goose section. It's a goose. See? Look.
Snowman?
Ooh!
Oh!
My goodness. And here's a snowman.